Y'all, to be honest, bro, I'm over it. Like, hey y'all, it's me, Prettywitty77. If you are a witty, then welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, what's up? What's up, girl? Hit the subscribe button. You gonna like it here. So anyways, welcome to a week in my hair, basically from Monday to Sunday. Today is Monday, and I just deep conditioned my hair. I had to do a separate video because I normally deep condition on the weekend. So yeah, this is what I'm working with on a Monday. Having to record and stuff, so my hair isn't styled yet. It's normally styled by now, but I already applied some products in the shower. My hair is so moisturized right now. The product that I added is the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. So this is what I already have on my hair, and if y'all want to know what the killer combo is, make sure you check out my 7 killer combo wash and go combos. I'm gonna be using a curl maker, duh. Like, and I really got some curl makers that I need to like get rid of some products. Preach. This is gonna be super fast because I've been doing my hair all day and dealing with and recording all day, let's just say, and basically dealing with my little channel, girl. So I have to go to work soon, like really soon. But I just wanted to let you guys know what's the scoop on my hair, what are the products I'm using. I'm not gonna do this wash and go on camera because I believe I have a video of this, but I'm gonna check back with y'all so y'all can see the end result if you haven't already. So here's the wash and go. And y'all, I did that in like 20 minutes because like I'm in a probably like 25, but it normally takes me 40. It looks pretty good. I can't wait till it's dry, but I'm gonna check back in with you guys tomorrow. I love ya. Bye. So this is my hair over 24 hours after I styled it, because I did it like y'all in the evening before I went to work. That when I got home from work in the wee hours in the morning, that morning when I woke up, I did go for a run with it. I just put it in a ponytail, but basically this is how it dried for the most part. I'm not a big fan of how it dried. I noticed that I didn't use as much product that I normally use because this wasn't even half full and it's still not a lot. So anyways, I'm really enjoying the body of it. The only thing I did was, and I should have did it on camera, but I just be in a rush. The only thing I've done to my hair since then is put a little mesh oil on my hand and just like scrunch it like this. So because my hair did not turn out how I wanted it to, it's gonna be a wild week. So I hope y'all in for it. But I'm gonna check back in with you guys a little bit later. So we are at the end of day 3, and y'all, to be honest, bro, I'm over it. Like, over it. Like I said before, I feel like I didn't let my hair set. I didn't use enough of the jelly, the Camille Rose. I don't know why I couldn't think of it. But also when I use a lighter gel or jelly, I have to let it set. Like, I need to be still. No, don't go outside. Don't let any kind of environmental factors like come into play with my hair. I just need to sit, chill, don't go to sleep, don't do this. I just need to let it sit, you know what I mean? So this, I feel like it lacks definition, and because I did let it set, it just kept growing. I feel like my hair right now, I feel like it's like the HeLa cells, like it just keeps growing. Like, how many of y'all got that? So I'm about to go to bed, and I'm gonna just show y'all like how I tie my hair up at night. It ain't really nothing special. I just literally double bun it, especially with my hair like this big. I be like double bunning it. I just tuck. I don't really like to tie it back or tie it up because my hair always gets like the indent from the hair tie, and it's annoying, and it's kind of like flicked it. My hair do this and then it'll go out. I don't know. My hair just takes shape of stuff like really easy, and I don't like that. So yeah. this is what I do. And of course, this band, I've had this for a minute. This band is starting to loosen up. So in order to get around it, I just get like a hair tie and basically try to gather the loose ends, tie it up, and I'll tuck it. So there's the tie, and I just tuck it in, and it's secure, but you know, it ain't that secure enough for me. I got a second one here that's also kind of like big around the hairline. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe, I don't know, I ain't got no small head. I don't have a big head, but yeah. And you can see, I got that little thing I did here. This is basically a rig. Just keep it real. Tucking it and basically, bam, ready for bed. So I'll see y'all on what, day 4? Okay, so to get me through day 4, I'm about to do like a quick half up, half down. I don't even want it doesn't really have to be perfect. I just kind of want to look decent. There's a little bit of flaking going on too where I twisted up. I really didn't put a lot of leave-in in the area, mostly just the curl maker. So I'm getting a little bit of like floaty flakes going on right now. Anyways, real quick, nothing special. You know it's real quick when I'm using like my regular spray bottle. I ain't come to play no games. I ain't gonna even hold you. Wet line. It's the old wet line. Well, I think they came out with something new, but I don't know if it's a new wet line or it just looks new. The container looks new. I don't know. I've been seeing some captions, or I mean not captions. I've been seeing some titles saying, oh, it's a new wet line, but I don't know, y'all. It kind of looks, upon like first look, it just looked like they changed the top. Maybe I'm wrong. Don't know. I did this look like last week or the week before that, but it was a little bit more defined. I don't like this look, so let me just go ahead with the puff, which I'm totally unprepared for. So I'm gonna take the mesh here and just apply a little bit to my hands and kind of scrunch it into the rest of my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna try to get this on the base part to secure it without messing up the shape, or if I just want to bobby pin it. I'll be on the fence, and I think I messed it up. I am gonna take a couple bobby pins to just make sure everything is secure. Sorry, y'all. I got alarms and stuff going off. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's real around these parts. I'm kind of on the fence about doing my edges because like I'm just really not a big edge girl. Really, the only part y'all know I even mess with is like the hair around my temple area. That's really all you need in life, just a little temple slayage. And I'm gonna start off by just putting a little bit of the wet line to get it going. And once I did that, I'm gonna take a little bit of this Cream of Nature Perfect Edges Extra Hold. I'm debating about whether I want to try the black one. Like, will it be a waste of time? Oh. That was crazy. So I'm just swoop to do that and do the same for this side. Also, just for the show, I'm gonna put a little bit more of the wet line on my corner edges and just apply a little bit more of the cream of nature just for a sleek edge. You know, you want them edges, you want them to be really sleek and tight and right. I'm also gonna tie my hair down on the way to work. Tie my edges down on the way to work, you know, just for special effect. This is how it's going to look when I take it down. Some cute because my hair was too big, y'all. It was just way too big. So I usually tie my hair up in the back before I go underneath because it's just easier. But I'm just gonna secure this. Oh, I still need to put my bobby pins in too. But let me hurry up because I'm gonna be late. So I've reached the end of day 4 and y'all, I feel like I'm just not having a really good hair week. Look at my hair, I don't know. Usually when I have a half up, half down style, I like the half down to be a little bit more defined. Sometimes it's okay, but it's just not the way I'm feeling. Like I'm not really feeling the wow and frizz proof. You know, I gotta be in the mood to do stuff like that. And also, when I do stuff like that, my hair, sometimes my curls don't blend because they're a lot looser up here, and in the back it curls tighter, so it kind of looks like it's just like, I don't know, it's just a weird look. But I'm about to just tie it up like I tied it up last night, and I'm gonna check with y'all on day 5. Alright, so boom, Friday hair, pretty much it looks exactly like this. I did not redo my edges. I did not like re-slick this right here. I just made sure that my bun wasn't like lopsided or whatever. And I just like fluffed my hair when I took it out of the bunny. That's literally all I did. I didn't re-moisturize or nothing. And guess what today is? Saturday, and I did not do my hair. I only had it outside of the bunny for like a couple of hours because I've been at home trying to get stuff done, doing laundry, you know, doing housely things that you do on a Saturday. Didn't go out today, and this is how my hair looked. The exact same way it looked on Friday. So as y'all can see, like, I don't know, this week was an unusually like bad hair week for me, and y'all can see I ain't really caring right now. So we'll see what Sunday has in hold, which y'all already know. You know me. Watch the next clip. So it's a Sunday, and I just rinsed my deep conditioner out, and I usually would be doing a wash and go, but I'm not gonna be doing a wash and go because it's my bedtime for one, and it's gonna be a little warm, so I kind of want to run outside tomorrow, y'all. So I know that even if I ain't no stranger to sleeping with a wet wash and go, let's just start there. But I know if I want to do that in the morning, I want my hair to be at a certain percent dry before I try to like run outside with it or kind of like tie it back. I just pretty much let it be for like the first 12 hours of like, you know, a fresh wash and go or whatever. So this is what I do when I'm like in a bind and I know that my schedule or anything else, you know, it just doesn't line up with what I need to do to my hair. So I just rinsed the conditioner out. I did not put a leave-in in my hair. I just kind of I'm t-shirt drying my hair. My hair is in plaits under here. So what I'll be doing then, because it's still gonna be damp, especially the base part, when in the morning time, I'm going to take the t-shirt off. I'm gonna tie it up like in a bunning those ends so they won't dry out. And I'm gonna put my wrap cap on and then put my running cap on, like Nike cap. So it's gonna be, and I'm gonna have a little ball at the back. So once I get done working out, I am going to take it out of the plaits and wet my hair with warm water and then apply the leave-in and then style my wash and go. That way I don't have to wash my hair all over again because it's product free right now. So all it needs to reactivate to style my wash and go is to like be re-wet with warm water, warmer than warm. Not cool water, because that doesn't work for me. My hair is not gonna take any moisture in, any product in. So yeah, that's basically my week in my hair. I feel like this week was so boring, but it's just a look in, an insider into the weeks that I don't do much and I try to make it stretch. It's real life, sis. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching to the end and you haven't already subscribed, definitely do that, sis. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.